Students, this narration question is coming up. Please mind it for your exam purpose. Here, this question narration is there and everything sentences. Here we have to make like she said, "Are you feeling well?" So you can understand that question is from auxiliary. So we have to take if or whether, either of the thing. She asked if she asked me if I was feeling well. Okay, now this the second sentence is teacher said to the student. Here question interrogative sentence is starting with WH word. So we have not to take conjunction if, and we have to keep that WH word at the subject's place only, and then we have to put that sentence in the assertive mode. Like the teacher asked the student, the teacher asked the student why he was late. Present simple will become past simple. Why he was late. The next sentence is coming up. Ram said to Shyam, will you help me with my SW? So again this question interrogative sentence is starting with auxiliary verb. Ram asked Shyam. Ram asked Shyam if he would help him with his SW. If he would help him with his SW. Now this interrogative sentence is starting with WH word. So we have to keep at the subject place as it is. The boy asked what his name was. Yeah, the boy asked me what my name was. What my name was. Now again this interrogative sentence is coming with auxiliary verb did, and it is past simple, so it will become past perfect in reported speech. She asked him if he had finished the work. If he had finished the work. Father said to his son, where have you been all this time? Father asked his son. Again WH word from starting with WH word. Father asked his son where he had been all that time. He said, how can, again from WH word it is coming. He asked how he could. He asked me. He asked me how he could solve that problem. How he could solve that problem. Last one is coming up. The doctor said to the patient, "Do you smoke?" The doctor asked. The doctor asked the patient. Asked the patient if he smoked. If he smoked. Okay, so this with these tips you can do better, and further determiner section will be coming up. So you can prepare yourself at your home also with these structures. Okay, fine. Thank you. Best of luck.